Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install DaVinci Resolve version 21 on Windows operating system, and after that I am also going to show you how you can use DaVinci Resolve for video editing. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here DaVinci Resolve download. So simply go to the official site of blackmagicdesign.com. This link I'm going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, I have to scroll down and you will see that DaVinci Resolve is available for macOS, Windows, Linux and iPad. So you are going to download it for Windows. So scroll down and here you provide your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, company name, you can keep it blank, you can choose your country, street, city and everything. So I'll quickly fill all these details and after that click on download Windows. And you can see that it is rightly started downloading. The file size is about 3.3 GB, so it's a big file and it's going to take about 20 minutes to download. I have already downloaded it, that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser, I'll go to my download directory. Here you can see that DaVinci Resolve is already been downloaded. After downloading, all you need to do is you need to right click and you need to click on extract all and to extract it over here. So I have already done that process just to save time. You can see this is the extracted folder. So once you extract, you will get that exe. You have to double click on that installer in order to install it. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes and you can minimize your download directory and there you go. So this is our DaVinci Resolve installation wizard. Here just simply click on install and welcome to DaVinci Resolve setup. Just simply click on next. And to read this license agreement, accept it and click on next. This is where our DaVinci Resolve is going to be installed. Totally fine, click on next. And it's ready to be installed, click on install. And our installation for DaVinci Resolve is rightly began. And there you go. You can see that now it is rightly installed. A desktop shortcut also created over here. Just simply click on finish. Installation complete, click on OK. And this is our product DaVinci Resolve. Just simply double click on it to launch it. Welcome to DaVinci Resolve 21. Click on continue. Here let's click on skip and start right now. I'm going to show you how you can start editing your video right on DaVinci Resolve. Just keep following this video. And there it is. Our DaVinci Resolve is rightly opened. So let's switch to edit tab. And let's right click and browse some video up over here. So click on import media. So you already prepared some video for demonstration purpose. So I'll select one of the video and I'm going to open it right on DaVinci Resolve. So here is the video. So you need to just drag it and you need to just put it up over here like this. You can zoom out to make it timeline little shorter and you can see the video is rightly playing over here. I'll mute the sound so that whatever I am saying do not gets broken on your end. You can see the video, it is playing over here. You can make your video screen size little bigger by just dragging all this so that you can see the video properly. So on this video, let's say you want to cut some of the portion. So what you do is you select this razor or blade icon and you just cut maybe from this section to this section. You press select it and press delete button and immediately you will see now it is properly deleted those section. Now this is how it is. If you want to edit it, that also you can do. You can just go to this colors tab and from here you can zoom it and you can add a bit of color or shadow or highlight if you want. So all these things you can do, and once when you are happy with it and you want to export, you can easily do that. Just go to this export tab and in file name you just provide your output file name. I'll provide Kashmir. You can see the estimated file size also shown over here. Next, you need to set your output location path. So click on browse and let's export on our video directory. So click on save. And now just click on add to render queue and click on render all. That's going to immediately start rendering our video, and you can see that our file is now properly exported. Just right click and click on reveal in file explorer, and you can see here is our video. Just simply double click on this output file and see how it rendered our video. You can see so nicely created. It also preserved the audio, and this is the section that we have edited, and you can see our beautiful Kashmir. So nice, isn't it? So nice, isn't it? So that's how you edit any video on DaVinci Resolve. First I showed you how to install it and then how to start editing your video right on DaVinci Resolve. If you like this video, then please give it a like and do comment on our comment sections if you need more detailed dedicated video tutorial on DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to happily explore more about color grading on DaVinci Resolve and also talk about Fusion as well. So do comment on our comment sections if you need a detailed dedicated video on this. I'm going to happily make a video on that as well. Right, so that's basically all about this video. Please do subscribe our channel and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on WordPress, I highly recommend you to follow this playlist. So all these videos are completely free. You'll be able to create amazing websites in WordPress by just simply following these videos. And if you are into programming, I highly recommend you to follow our geekyscript.com official website. So here you can navigate to interactive lab and you can follow along all these different data structure and algorithm that we have prepared over here. So for example, this is selection shot visualizer. So as I play this, you can see this entire array will get shorted by selection shot method. So you can also increase the speed as well. You can see it's properly shorted. And we have live code tracer as well with C++ to Java, Python, JS and all that. So you can browse Visualizer Lab and you can check out all the different data structure and algorithm lab that we have created. I'm sure you're going to thoroughly enjoy each and every single one of it. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.